Hello beautiful women, I am Ishita Saluja, founder and head stylist at Ishita Saluja Image Consultancy. I create video to help you elevate your style on a daily basis. So let's get into today's topic. Today I'm going to teach you something very interesting. How to look expensive but on a budget. You heard it right. Looking expensive doesn't mean that you have to spend a lot of money. Whether you're a fashionista or you want to simply upgrade your outfit. So today I'm going to teach you certain ways and certain tricks and tips which are going to help you look the way you want, classy, elegant, sophisticated without spending a lot of money. Now you see, the idea behind this comes from the fact that when we talk about looking a certain way, which means what our style agenda is, which we completely work on while we work with a client. अगर हमारे पास कोई client है जो हमें कहता है कि इशिता, I go out a lot, but मैं इतने पैसे खर्च नहीं कर सकती कि हमें हमेशा ऐसे लगे कि मैं नए कपड़े लेके आई हूँ. We completely get it, and that's not what we promote. What we promote is teaching them कि देखो एक सिंपल सा लॉजिक है. जब आप कहीं चीजें इस तरीके से स्टाइल करते हो या पेयर करते हो, you can look the way you want. But बहुत क्लैरिटी होनी चाहिए कि हमें लगना कैसे है. And that's why in our programs we offer all these things where we help you mix and match clothes and make you feel the way you want to. So if you want to know more, I am going to attach a link of our website. You can go ahead, check our programs, and I promise you, you will be able to look and feel the way you've always admired others. I'm going to show you certain outfits. आप इसको as it is as an example ले सकते हो, outfit formula की तरह ले सकते हो, that how you can use certain things in your everyday outfits or the days that you want to look extra expensive, extra sophisticated or extra classy. Not only that, once you look sophisticated, classy, you automatically start feeling more confident. So होता कैसे है कि कहीं color combinations या कई color elements या कई textures ऐसे होते हैं जो instantly elevate कर देते हैं look को. So let's take the example of silk. Silk की sheen है, जब भी आप silk देखते हो या silk पहनते हो, you automatically assume that this is going to be an expensive fabric, and that's what the person also starts looking like. Because silk की जो sheen होती है, it automatically creates that vibe and instantly upgrades your outfit. Now we have alternate to silks. अगर हम proper silk पे जाएंगे तो of course the budgets are going to shoot up. But we also have great amount of satins in market available today that can be used. Accessories भी इसी तरीके से कई चीजों को elevate कर सकती है. Now for example, a full black outfit. Now black is not a color, as you may know. Black is known as an achromat. Full black outfit without any division can instantly elevate your look for the simple fact that black is associated with sophistication, elegance and authority. Color psychology बहुत important है when we talk about combining colors and looking a certain way. That's why you will see most of the times I'm either in black or in white because they both help you look sophisticated, classy to a certain extent. Now let's embark on a journey to elevate your style game and unleash your inner fashionista. So let's talk about the first fabric, satin. Remember, satin has a luxurious sheen and smooth texture that reflects light elegantly, giving off a sophisticated and upscale vibe. The fabric drapes beautifully and has a rich, solid color appearance, enhancing the overall look with a touch of glamour and classiness. Number 2, golden buttons or golden detailings. They add a touch of opulence and sophistication to an outfit due to their luxurious and radiant appearance. The shimmer and shine of gold exude a sense of richness and exclusivity, and this will help you elevate your overall look and instantly will make you feel classy, elegant on a budget. Next up is pearls. Pearls are a timeless symbol of elegance and luxury that can instantly elevate any look. And we also know that pearls are often associated with sophistication and high social status, and that's why they're a great choice when you are wanting to look classy and expensive on a budget. Of course, they can be worn as necklace, earrings, bracelet or any kind of embellishment on your clothing as well. It just can add aesthetic and we can absolutely make you look more glamorous. Next up is my favorite, an all-white outfit which exudes a sense of sophistication and luxury for all the right reasons. Now white helps you create a very clean and a sleek look. Not only this, the crisp and the fresh appearance of an all-white outfit conveys a modern and chic style that is often linked to a more expensive and sophisticated fashion sensibility. That's all for today. I hope you really enjoyed this video and I'm sure you're going to use all these tips and make sure that you use them every day or whenever you want to look a certain way. And I promise you, once you do that, you will see an instant can change how people look at you or how you look at yourself. And this is what my agenda, कि सब लोगों को help कर पाओ to look the way they want and make them feel their best. And that is why it's very important for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share it with your friends. Because like I said, I really want to reach a lot of women who really want to understand how they can look and feel their best. And we do put in a lot of hard work ताकि हम आपके लिए अच्छा सा content बना सके and then you are able to dress up better. So if I have helped you in any way and if you really like this video and find value in it, make sure you like, subscribe and share it with all your friends. And do not forget to hit the bell icon, because I'm going to keep creating such amazing content for you and you are going to keep elevating your style. This is Ishita Saluja, your style partner, signing off. Until then, remember, style is for everyone and yours is within you.